Ah, sweet science, the amazing botany and biology that come together to make happy grapes and tasty wines. The science of winemaking is what the ASEV is all about, the American Society for Enology and Viticulture.
So that's part of our mission statement, really, to disseminate scientific, fact-based information and research globally to the wine industry, whether that's professionals or researchers or with the students or suppliers. ASEV brings all that together to disseminate that information.
It's a place where I get to meet researchers from all over the world. So currently at our meeting we have researchers from Argentina, Chile, Australia, France, Germany. It's also some place that we get to disseminate that research in a very friendly format.
We came here because we're really focused on the more technical aspects of helping to grow better grapes. Our story is about microbiology, firmly locked into the science behind it. I think all of the posters here represent the science that's going on, and so we think there's a really great correlation between what we do and what ASEV is doing.
These are the wine lovers that worry about all the important details: climate, drought, water, and this season's threat, a labor shortage.
Most recently, we've been talking a little bit about labor and mechanization in the lab in terms of the winery and how we can process more samples. And in the vineyard, some automation in terms of pruning techniques or even mechanical harvesting like we do at J. Lower really helps mitigate any labor shortages we might have.
Making sure that we have skilled workers to do the jobs to help us continue to produce world-class wines. How we're best managing our natural resources in order to respect the environment, how we're best using our manpower to respect our human resources, and how we're continuing to learn and to drive our industry forward.
Hosting this 69th gathering is a special honor that Monterey County wine growers appreciate. Executive Director Kim Stemler reminds us how natural science makes this area a superb place for viticulture.
Monterey is really unique for a coastal growing region, and the thing that makes this unique is right outside of this hotel, actually. There is a really deep submarine canyon. We like to call it the Blue Grand Canyon, that's 2 miles deep. So what happens is the really cold water from the 2 miles down in that canyon comes up and it hits the warm air and creates fog. And then that fog creates wind, and that wind is funneled down the Salinas Valley where 98% of our grapes are grown.
That wind really brings textures, so we get some really great acidity and some really rich textures from that wind run that really help the vines along. And it's such a cool climate here that we tend to grow really world-class Chardonnay, Pinot Noir, Sauvignon Blanc, and Riesling.
As it aims for its 70th year of researching and promoting the economic vitality of the wine industry, we raise a glass to ASEV and thank its 2,200 members for their dedication to better health of wines and vines. Bon santé!